my very first time to perform this. Sa inyo po lahat.
I've been running, I've been chasing, looking for the love that stays. But every time it fades like echoes, slipping through my head like rain. Then you walk and change your rhythm, turn my lonely into light. Know every heartbeat sings your name, and every shadow's gone tonight. Only you hold the key to my heart. Only you turn the dark into stars. I was lost till I found you. Now I know what love can do. Ikaw lang, only you. Oh, scars they don't define me, but when you are by my side, every fear you chase behind me, with just one look in your eyes. Then you walk and change the rhythm, turn my lonely into light. Though every heartbeat sings your name, and every shadow's gone tonight. Only you hold the key to my heart. Only you turn the dark into stars. I was lost till I found you. Now I know what love can do. Ikaw lang, only you. If the sky falls down, I won't be afraid. As long as I got you, I'll never break. Every promise, every prayer leads me back to you, I swear. Only you hold the key to my heart. Only you turn the dark into stars. I was lost till I found you. Now I know what love can do. Ikaw lang, only you,
Thank you! Ang sarap sa pakiramdam i-perform yung ating song for the first time sa ganitong napakaraming tao. I-share ko lang po sa inyo, I'm so thankful na mapagbigyan na pagkakataon ma-record yung song po natin ngayon sa US, sa Hollywood last month on my very special day, yung birthday ko. At para po sa akin, ayun po ay sagot ng Ama sa mga pagpapanata. Ano yun? Ha? Ngayon na yung namuluhan sa ganyan. Okay, do you want more? Okay, that song entitled Only You, available na yan sa all digital platforms, just like Only You, Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Deezer, Amazon. And the music video na sinunod po natin sa Hollywood ay available din sa YouTube. So, search po yan. Do you want more? Do you want more? Sige. Itong next song ko is isa din sa original and kasama sa EP album na nirecord po natin sa US. And itong song ko nito para po sa mga tao na
Sa amin.
Nawala na sila ng pag-asa sa love. Hindi na sila nakiiwan. Kailangan pa maging perfect para makahanap ng tamang tao sa buhay nila. Pero, nagkaroon sila ng pag-asa. Simula noon, kailangan mo lang maging sino ka, hindi mo kailangan maging perfect para mahalin ka ng tamang tao.